Elias. Hey bro, what's up?
Pete, where are you?
I'm outside Dolphinarium.
Bro, I've been looking the whole time for you. I have some really good news.
What is it?
Okay, you know that we have an artist, right? John.
Yes?
So I prepared a challenge and it's going to be between you and John.
Between who?
Between John and you. It's going to be an art competition.
Okay.
Okay, look bro, are you up to the challenge?
Okay, challenge accepted.
Guys, I have a big surprise for Sid. Now I prepared a challenge between him and the bird, and it's going to be an art challenge. Inside the bird show, 3 judges, bunch of audience, 2 stands for paintings, a lot of colors, and let's see who's going to be the winner. I'm so excited! Let's do it! We watch a competition that is full of excitement and full of talent, and each of the competitors did his own show. And now, after the judges reveal the score, it is time to show who's the real winner. So we're gonna start with the first place winner. My friend, why are you so excited? It's me! No bro, you are the second place. The first place is Mr. John! No doubts that Mr. John was a great artist and definitely he did the best painting ever. Now guys, I dare you to take the challenge like Sid did. I want you to bring a canvas, blank. Use 4 colors, red, blue, green and yellow. Create the beautiful masterpiece. I want you to post your picture on the comments below or use hashtag challenge accepted. And of course, the prize will go for the most beautiful painting. Can't wait? All together, let's do it.